XREAL has once again raised the bar for wearable augmented reality devices. With its latest smart glasses, the XREAL Air 2. Built to resemble a fashionable pair of sunglasses, the Air 2 packs advanced optics, a lightweight frame, and a suite of user-friendly features that blur the line between the physical and digital worlds. Priced at $399 US, the Air 2 delivers an immersive virtual display experience without the bulk or industrial look of many competing headsets. The retail packaging of the XREAL Air 2 sets the tone for a premium user experience, delivered in a sleek black box embellished with a subtle 3D floral motif. The package contains the glasses themselves, a protective carrying case, a microfiber cleaning cloth, 3 nosepad inserts for customized fit, and a user manual. Additional accessories include spare temple arms and a light-blocking shield to enhance immersion. A USB-C charging cable rounds out the bundle, enabling convenient power delivery from laptops, power banks, or wall adapters. At first glance, the Air 2 looks indistinguishable from conventional eyewear. Its minimalist frame measures 148 x 51.4 x 56.4 mm when folded, extending to 161 mm in length when worn. The temples are slightly extended to fit larger head sizes comfortably. Despite housing a host of electronic components, the glasses weigh a modest 75 grams, noticeably heavier than everyday reading glasses, but remarkably light for a full-featured AR headset. The top of each lens mount houses a wear sensor that automatically activates the display when the glasses are worn and powers down when removed. Physical controls, including volume up-down, a power button, and an integrated microphone, are located on the right temple, within easy thumb reach. The heart of the Air 2 lies in its new micro-OLED panels from Sony. Each lens sports a 0.55-inch display with a full HD resolution, providing a crisp virtual screen that floats just inches from the eyes. With a pixel density of 49 ppd pixels per degree, visuals appear sharp and text remains legible even at small font sizes. Peak brightness reaches 500 nits, ensuring vivid imagery in moderately lit environments. According to official specifications, color accuracy is excellent, with a Delta E 2000 below 3 and standard 8-bit color depth, yielding rich, well-saturated tones. To manage heat generated by the embedded electronics, XREAL has optimized airflow through the temple, arms and incorporated low-profile vents without compromising style. The balanced weight distribution across the nose, pads and ears prevents pressure points, enabling extended wear sessions. Users report that the adjustable nose inserts and temple length contribute to a snug, comfortable fit, making the Air 2 suitable for long presentations, streaming, or casual gaming. Built-in stereo speakers flanking each temple deliver clear, spatial audio at moderate volume levels. For privacy or enhanced bass response, the USB-C port supports wired audio pass-through to headphones or external speakers. The integrated microphone enables voice commands and video conference participation, where sensor-driven on-off transitions mean audio and display activate seamlessly as users don or remove the glasses. XREAL Air 2 connects directly to any DP-capable device via its USB-C port, operating in DisplayPort Alt mode. Smartphones, tablets, laptops, and even drones can feed video and audio signals to the glasses, turning them into a personal heads-up display. An optional XREAL adapter expands compatibility to devices lacking native DP support, while the optional XREAL Beam module adds standalone functionality with an onboard chipset and wireless casting. Users can download the XREAL Nebula app from the Google Play Store in supported regions to access additional settings, update firmware, and calibrate display parameters. iOS support is built in, enabling iPhone and iPad owners to mirror their screens without additional software. The Air 2 shines in a variety of scenarios. Content creators can preview video edits or 3D models in situ, while gamers can enjoy a private big screen experience on the go. Business professionals benefit from virtual monitors for multitasking and presentations, without hauling around multiple external displays. Even drone pilots can feed live aerial footage into the glasses for an immersive first-person view. Because the display sits just beyond the physical lens, ambient awareness remains. Users can still see their surroundings without removing the headset. Unlike fully standalone headsets, the Air 2 draws power from its host device via USB-C, eliminating the need for an internal battery and reducing weight. This tethered design ensures uninterrupted operation, as long as the connected device can supply power. Those who require freedom from cables may opt for the XREAL Beam accessory, which houses its own battery and wireless streaming hardware. XREAL's software suite enhances the hardware's flexibility. Nebula provides display configuration controls, brightness, color temperature, and virtual screen size, while firmware updates introduce new features and performance improvements. Third-party apps can leverage the glasses as a secondary monitor using standard casting protocols, and developers can access SDKs to create custom AR and mixed reality experiences. At $399 United States dollars, the XREAL Air 2 delivers an exceptional blend of style, comfort, and cutting-edge optics. By mimicking the form factor of everyday eyewear, it sidesteps the gadget stigma common to VR headsets and bulky smart glasses. With a vivid micro-OLED display, precise optics, and broad device compatibility, it stands out as one of the most accessible entry points into augmented and virtual reality. Users seeking a lightweight, wearable solution for personal media, productivity, and light gaming will find the Air 2 to be a compelling choice, offering a window into virtual worlds without sacrificing fashion or convenience.